If I asked you how old energy is, you could say it has no age. We are made of energy. So as humans, do we have to have a time limit on our existence? If we are made of energy which is timeless, why is it that we ourselves age? And can we change it?
Well, I think the most common thing that everyone is suffering from, that is accelerating the aging process in a dramatic way for almost everyone, is these trapped emotional energies that are inhabiting all of our body.
Meditation does play a big role in slowing down aging because our bodies, since they are conceived and constructed by our consciousness state, when our mind settles down to its least excited state in meditation, naturally the body begins to follow into a deep state of restfulness. And in that deep state of restfulness, the body is able to throw off accumulated stress.
To give your life to serve, to help the planet. To me, that keeps you young forever.
If we abuse, pollute and poison our mind and body, then we run the risk of aging faster and dying earlier, and in the process we risk destroying the quality of our life.
90% of people's emotions are negative, according to the psychological model. And so as the person lives by those limited emotions over and over again, and it keeps pushing the genetic button, it begins to break the body down. That's when aging begins to become accelerated.
We need to focus not on living long, but living right. We're engrossed with the idea of youth. We want to stay young, and we'll do anything to do that.
I've spent years traveling all over the world, talking to the greatest experts, authors and leaders in the fields of nutrition, relationships, spirituality, technology, wellness and the environment, and they are sharing their secrets too. It will transform your career, your health, your wealth, your happiness and your relationship with life.
And to the second we give ourselves permission to be immortals, we start setting goals that are beyond our life. And if we have a goal beyond our life, we live longer.
That's what keeps a person young. That's what keeps them healthy. That's what stimulates them to creativity and to do and to be happy.
I've explored the mysteries of longevity and discovered how to live forever young.